scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the maximum rate of change for this cubic function is actually quite simple if you follow these quick steps to get the right answer. First, we need the instantaneous rate of change, which is just the first derivative. Differentiating our function gives us 12x minus 3x squared. This represents the slope at any point. To maximize this rate, we take the second derivative and set it to 0. Solving 12 minus 6x equals 0 shows the peak occurs exactly when x equals 2. Let's go. Plug x equals 2 into the first derivative. 12 times 2 minus 3 times 4 equals 12. Option A is the final winner. Well done! Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the function and check steps carefully to ensure you always find the peak.